Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of March 2024 for all the Leo Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of March for all the Leo Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Leo ascendant people, Sun controls your first house. Means Sun is very important planet for you people because Sun controls your first house. Sun is your ascendant lord. And right now, Sun is moving in your seventh house in the sign of Aquarius, where seventh house lord Saturn is already moving. Sun will stay in your seventh house till 14th March. After 14th March, Sun will move from your seventh house to eighth house in the sign of Pisces, where Rahu is already moving. First house deal with you. Your overall aspects of life is deal with your first house. Your general health is seen from first house. Your fame, your physique, your general perception, your fundamental nature is also seen from first house. So right now, first house Lord is moving in your seventh house. Seventh house deal with your marriage, your relationship, your spouse, your business partnership is seen from seventh house. Your fame along with 10th house is also seen from 7th house, how you will meet others and how others perceive you when you will meet others, also seen from 7th house. Your relationships in journal is seen from 7th house. Your commitments, your agreement, your legal bindings also seen from seventh house. So right now your first house Lord is moving in your seventh house till 14th March. So till 14th March we can expect great result for you people regarding all the Leo ascendant people, because Sun from your ascendant Lord is sitting in your seventh house, and from seventh house Sun is also aspecting your first house. Means Sun is aspecting its own house, your ascendant, its own house, your ascendant. Means Sun is, means your ascendant is right now in a strong position till 14th March. Till 14th March we can expect great result regarding your personality related matter, regarding your general health related matter, and overall aspects of your life. Also, if you're married, then we can expect you will spend quality time with your spouse and your relationships in general in the month of March, due to presence of your first house Lord in your seventh house, and seventh house also in a strong position. If you are unmarried, then we can expect you will also get a good proposal in the month of March till 14th March. After 14th March, your ascendant Lord will be moving in your 8th house, and Rahu is already moving in your 8th house. So after 14th March, you may need to be take care of your matters, like you may have suddenly face some losses, some unexpected event in your life due to presence of Rahu in your 8th house, and your ascendant Lord will also be moving in your 8th house. Also, you need to be take care of your health after 14 March. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Leo ascendant people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Leo ascendant people, Mercury controls your 11th house and your second house. And right now your 11th house and second house Lord is moving in your 7th house in the sign of Aquarius, where 7th house Lord Saturn is also moving. Saturn and Mercury consider friends in astrology, and right now your 11th house Lord is moving in a strong position in your 7th house, and Mercury will stay in your 7th house till 8 March. After 8 March, Mercury will move from your 7th house to 8th house in the sign of Pisces. So till Mercury is moving in your 8th house, we can expect great result regarding your incoming gains related matter, because from 11th house we see your gains, incoming gains of money, gains of respect, gains of anything, fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. That's why we were saying in some section, if you are single, then we can expect you will get good proposals in the month of March. Also, we can expect great result regarding your gains related matter in the month of March. Mercury also controls your second house, and second house Lord is moving in your seventh house, but your second house is occupied by Ketu after 30th October 2023, as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit video. But right now in the month of March, especially till 8 March, Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your seventh house. So you may face some arguments, some difficulties regarding your relationships related matter, but things will be okay due to presence of Sun and Saturn in your seventh house. So we can expect these results from Mercury till 8 March. After 8 March, when Mercury will move from your 7th house to your 8th house. So from 8th house, Mercury will expecting its own house, your second house. Second house deal with your family, your speech, your food intake habits, your savings, your money matters also seen from second house. Your speech is also seen from second. So after 8 March, when Mercury will move from your 8th house, so Mercury will also aspect from 8th house to its to your second house, means Mercury will aspect its own house. So we can expect good result regarding your second house related matter after 8 March, which is your money related matter, which is your speech related matter, and your family related matter. But you need to be take care of your family related matter and savings related matter till Ketu is moving in your second house, because if you try to accumulate a lot of wealth, if you try to save a lot of wealth, you may face some losses, you may face some disappointment regarding your money related matter, because Ketu creates situations such like that. If you try to save a lot of money, Ketu will make you spend more money. Ketu works in that way. Also, Mercury controls your 11th house, and 11th house Lord will be moving in your 8th house after 8 March. 11th house also deal with your friend circle and professional circle and your get together related matters. So when your 11th house Lord will be moving in your 8th house, then you need to be take care of your get together related matters. Suddenly you may face some humiliation, some argument, some disappointment from your friend circle and professional circle in the month of March. So you need to be take care of these matters in the month of March. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Leo ascendant people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Leo ascendant people, Venus controls your 10th house and your third house. And right now your 10th house and third house Lord is moving in your 8th house in the sign of Capricorn, where Mars is already moving in its exalted position. 10th house deal with your work environment is seen from 10th house, your bosses, your superiors, how far you can go in your career, in your occupation, in your business is also seen from 10th house, your fame, your achievements also seen from 10th house. Third house deal with your communication related matter, your younger brothers, sisters seen from third house, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friend is seen from third house. Your ability to do effort is also seen from third house, but mainly your communication and communication skills is seen from third house. So right now your 10th house and third house Lord is moving in your sixth house, and Venus will stay in your sixth house till 8 March. After 8 March, Venus will move from your sixth house to your seventh house in the sign of Aquarius. So till 8 March, we can expect you will put a lot of effort in your work related matter, because as we discussed in our previous videos, sixth, second and 10th house is always connected to your work and your earnings related matter. And right now your 10th house Lord is moving in your sixth house. So we can expect your major focus will be in your work related matter till 8 March. Also, if you are going through some court case, litigation, argument, confrontation, and dealing with some hidden enemies in your life, then we can expect things will turn into your favor, and you will also get the strength to deal with such matters in your life due to presence of Mars in its exalted position in your sixth house. So we can expect these results from Venus till 8 March. After 8 March, when your 10th house and third house Lord will be moving in your seventh house, then we can expect good result regarding your Venus related matter, regarding your work related matter, and your fame related matter. If you are a public figure, then we can expect your fame will be increased after 8 March, when your 10th house Lord will be moving in your seventh house, because 10th house and seventh house, both the houses are connected with your fame related matter, and Venus also controls your third house. Venus controls your ability to do effort, so we can expect you will put a lot of effort in the month of March regarding your work related matter, because Venus also controls your 10th house and will be moving in your 7th house. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Leo ascendant people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Leo ascendant people, Moon controls your 12th house, and right now Moon is moving in your 5th house in the sign of Sagittarius. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of March, and on the basis of 6th March we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology, and somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And moon is a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any of naturally malefic planets from any house in transit, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. And especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planets. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Leo ascendant people, Mars controls your ninth house and your fourth house. And right now, Mars is moving in your sixth house in its exalted position in the sign of Capricorn, because Mars gives very good result in Capricorn sign. And right now, your sixth house is in an exalted position. Ninth house will be with your father, teachings of your father, your mentors, your guider, advisor, your lawyers seen from ninth house. Your second marriage is also seen from ninth house. Your long distance travel, your higher education means your postgrad education, your philosophical education, your religious knowledge is also seen from ninth house. Fourth house will be your homeland, your mother's relationship is seen from fourth house. How much comfort do you have in your life is seen from fourth house. Your properties, vehicles, comfort, emotions is also seen from fourth house. So right now your ninth house and fourth house lord is moving in your sixth house. Sixth house deal with your court case, litigation, argument, etc. etc. as we discussed previously in Venus section. So right now your fourth house and ninth house lord is moving in your sixth house. First of all, we can expect great result if you are dealing with some court case, litigation, argument regarding your properties related matter in your life. Then we can expect in the month of March, especially till 16th of March, because Mars is present here in your sixth house till 16th of March. Things will turn into your favor if you are dealing with some court case litigation in your life. Also, if you want to travel somewhere, then we can also expect great result regarding your travel related matter, because ninth house and fourth house, both the houses Lord is moving in your sixth house, and from sixth house, Mars is expecting your foreign settlement house means your 12th house. After 16th of March, when Mars will move from your 6th house to your 7th house, and already 6th, 7th, and already your 7th house is in a strong position due to presence of Saturn in its own sign in your 7th house. So after 16th of March, we can expect great result regarding your marriage related matter. If you are married right now, if you want to travel somewhere, then we can also expect great result regarding your travel related matter. Also, we can expect after 16th March, you will arrange some get together at your home with your cousins, neighbors, childhood friend, etc. etc. So we can expect these results from all the planets for all the Leos and people in the month of March. We will have four major astrological events in the month of March. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your seventh house, and Sun will stay in your seventh house till 14th March. After 14th March, Sun will move from your seventh house to 8th house in the sign of Pisces. Second major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your seventh house, and Mercury will stay in your seventh house till 8th March. After 8th March, Mercury will move from your seventh house to 8th house in the sign of Pisces. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your sixth house, and Mars will stay in your sixth house till 16th March. After 16th March, Mars will move from your sixth house to seventh house in the sign of Aquarius. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your sixth house, and Venus will stay in your sixth house till 8 March. After 8 March, Venus will also move from your sixth house to your seventh house in the sign of Aquarius. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of March 2024 for all the Leo ascendant and share. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.